welcome back to our channel. We're going to show you the OMG doll series 2.
So didn't what my Selena wanted. It didn't what I wanted.
So here's the ones in the back. It says Out Girl and the Candylicious, Miss Independent, and Busy BB.
And
OMG, we sisters slay all day. We stir spirit style like the divas we are, and we march to the beat of our own DJ, making everything a little more outrageous. We stand out from the crowd and write our own set of rules, because we're here to surprise the world. Okay, let's open. Candylicious. So sweet or salty. She likes sweet daydreams or real life.
Like mine.
She likes daydreams, or she likes pastels or brights, and she likes pastels.
And she likes
Open. Okay, there we go.
bunny. So here her dress. She has them in her jewelry. So she has these earrings.
They're like num-nums.
The shoes is pink, is white, blue, pink, and the other one is green. She has pink hair, and she has some braids, and she has this. Then her makeup. So she has pink like lipstick, and she has pink eyes like right here to here. It has blues like blue. And she has black and white then.
Okay. Her backpack. Here's her backpack. It's like a bunny bear. It's like a bunny and a bear. There, like that. Thank you for watching. We're done with this video.
I like the dolly.
It's Candylicious.
I like
This
the
is our
dolly.
second series.
I like her nails. Her nails. I have to show the nails.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Peace.